Hello everyone, I'm here today with DrainPro. Today I wanted to go over the risks of draining oil down your sink and everything you need to know about this topic. Pouring olive oil down the drain might seem harmless, but it can lead to serious plumbing and environmental issues. While liquid at room temperature, olive oil solidifies as it cools, creating greasy clogs inside pipes. Over time, this buildup narrows the pipes, causing slow drainage, backups, or complete blockages. Moreover, when combined with other cooking oils and fats already in the plumbing system, olive oil forms a sticky, thick substance that can result in severe clogs, potentially requiring costly professional plumbing services. The impact extends beyond your plumbing system. So disposing of oils like olive oil improperly can pollute water sources, harming local ecosystems and wildlife. The best way to dispose of olive oil is to avoid pouring it down the drain entirely. Instead, consider cooling and reusing the oil, or contact a local recycling center that accepts used cooking oils for proper disposal or recycling into a biodiesel. Small amounts of oil can be discarded in the trash by sealing them in a container once cooled. For convenience, grease disposable containers are also available for safe storage and disposal. If you've already poured oil down the drain, act quickly by flushing it with boiled water to break down the oil, or using a mild, eco-friendly drain cleaner to clear any buildup. However, this may not resolve long-term issues. If slow drains or clogs persist, contacting a professional plumber is the safest option. In conclusion, while it may seem easy to pour olive oil down the drain, the potential risks to both plumbing and the environment make it a practice best avoided. Proper disposable methods not only protect your plumbing system, but also help preserve the planet. Reach out to DrainPro Plumbing for all your plumbing needs. To learn more, visit us at www.drainproplumbing.net. See you next time.